Hey everyone, how's everybody doing? As you guys can see, I'm doing the Ron Muscle Car Diecast Wagon Challenge. And my first representation is this jackhammer. I thought it was a pretty cool casting. So hopefully this guy's classified as a wagon, even though it's a fantasy casting, but I thought it was pretty cool and should have made the cut. So up next, guys, I'm gonna show you two versions of this car. And this is the Chevy Seville. We have this version of it, which is the art car, I guess. And, uh, and I have this next beauty, which is in yellow. And she is definitely a keeper.
What do you want to know?
That is a sweet casting, guys.
Candace was an escort that I hired from Great Section. She was.
I like this one. This one I picked up from the flea market.
She's wicked. And trust me, when I get my hands on her again, she's going to pay for all this.
So I thought it was pretty cool. So again,
Pay for your sister. A man who was fine before she
another one to add to the collection.
Maybe you should have been messing around with Candace in the first place. You ever think of that?
Okay, so guys, the next one I'm gonna show off are some matchboxes.
Candace is something I did. Candace is something that is
So
done.
the first one is a Mercedes-Benz Wagon.
Take back. What else do you want to know? Nothing? I don't know. I gotta think about it. All right. Well, while you're thinking about it, do you mind if I ask you a question?
So I picked this guy up, I think,
That Jeffrey is gay, right?
at the Dollar Tree. I think this is where I got this one
Jeffrey
from.
is in love with you. So here is my question.
But,
Are you in love with him? I'm just asking.
but again, guys, I don't know if I have a lot of wagons,
Your mother is
but
confessing? Just
well, I'll put it this way. I didn't think I had a lot of wagons, but after searching, you find out you have a lot of stuff that you didn't know about.
I see the way he looks at you, the way we look at you. Oh, go to hell with that, all right? All right. Confession is good for the soul.
So, guys, the next one I have is this Audi. It's another Matchbox. I wasn't sure if this was a wagon or not, but then I looked at it more and said, yeah, it's a wagon. And if it's not, guys, I am so sorry, but it looked like a wagon to me. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. And plus, I didn't feel like trying to go through everything to find wagons. I just went through a few, whatever I came up with, that's what we're working with. Because since everything I have is not displayed like I wanted, because I don't have the room, so that most of them are still sealed. And so the next one, guys, is the last Matchbox. This is the Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser.
You are going to
You guys can see the dogs in the back.
Yeah, what does that have to do with anything? You're going to be in prison a very long time, son.
I have another version of this, but
You're a judge.
I didn't,
Son, what?
I couldn't find it. Well, I could find it, but
Hear me out.
again, I didn't want to dig through a whole lot.
To prison.
I just wanted to meet at least the minimum amount of cards that I needed to do the challenge.
To rape Kelvin Level. I acquire.
But
You don't know anything.
That's another nice piece.
I've been sat.
Again,
Go ahead and roll your eyes, but I've sat on my bench.
you know, again, guys, y'all know how I feel about Matchbox cards. They are like on point these days.
How awful these people can really be. And you made a decision.
Okay, so
Take yourself out from the covering and protection of your mother and
the next ones I'm going to show you is going to be three of them. It's going to be three different versions of this guy here.
stand up on your own 2 feet. But you hear me when I tell you, you are going to
And that's the 8 crate.
stand up while you are imprisoned in your tiny little box. When you're
I have this also in the Moon Eyes,
over every possible opportunity.
but I want to show you something a little bit different.
Confess to the DA. I know this DA. When she gets through putting this all together, she's going to come after your ass. She's going to have you put
And
in prison
that one is the latest
for the rest
find
of your
that I
natural
purchased
life. She's not coming after your mother or your father.
because I was trying to look for the other one,
Knowledge of the law. The
but
worst thing that's going to happen to
I
us
found this one. So the next time I go out, try to look for the green one. Thought that one was pretty cool.
We're doing this to put an end to my
So-
life in politics. Because after this whole mess is over, you're there in your tiny little box with your best
And here's the next one. So it's gonna be
I'm thinking that she and I may just retire. Go on a trip. Travel a little bit. How does that sound to you, Catherine?
this one is a flea market find. I was on a hunt for nomads, and I saw these,
Hold on a second.
and I thought, oh, I found me some nomads, but then it turned out that these were egg crates. So, but I picked them up
I'm
anyway.
trying to raise children who don't want my help and who refuse to help themselves. I've been trying to help my wife. All she wants to do is blame me or anybody that she can for all of her issues. And I want to thank you for deciding to destroy your life.
And here's another one that came from the flea market,
You, your sister, which you both
Bizarro.
gigantic
I guess that's some superhero.
and I can deal with it. Both of you at the same time, and I can let it go because you know what I'm doing tomorrow. I'm going to get out of my bed in the morning.
I have no idea where I'm at,
Go out there and I am going to
but
marry my daughter. Then I'm going to put my son in a car. And I'm going to
So-
take my son to prison. And then I am going to let the chips fall where they may. Because Wyatt Cryer, your father, is tired. Now get your ass out of my face.
so guys,
Okay.
the next one is 64 Nova Wagon.
Thank you.
If you guys could hear my dude in the back shaking.
Quincy,
Stay away from my door, Quincy.
I wanted to be in there. I was being there.
What do you want?
Look out the window, Mom.
So
Calling the police.
Look out the window.
Yes. Yes, I want it.
okay, so next one is it's a GTO. Hot Wheels City, and this one comes. It's a customs. I'm sorry, guys. Custom '66 GTO wagon. So guys, I'm laughing because my dog has a cone on his head. Because he's been licking his paws, so now he's trying everything he can to get out of it. So you hear all that noise and hitting things with it. But I'm sorry about that. Trying to protect him from keeping him from licking his paws. Okay, so guys, this one is another Chevelle delivery. This one I never took out of the package. So I'm going to show you this one. This is, as you guys can see, it has Fifth Avenue on it. So this is like all metal, guys. You got real riders on it. The back of it, the package is all damaged because I don't know where I got this one from. It might have been another flea market buy. But so this would be another entry for my wagons. And I think I'm almost done. As I look around, I think I pretty much put everything out. But so I'm going to end it with my, oh, sorry, not yet. I have these two guys here. The Cruise Bruisers. I have two variations of these guys. I have this one. Thought I was done, guys. Again, these are from the art cars. So I have that version. And I have this one here, guys. And so the next one, guys, and after this one, I have one left, and I will end it on one left, which is one of my favorites. And so hopefully we have covered all of the wagons, which I'm surprised that I had that many. So that is my only sedan, however you want to call it, panel. So that hopefully that completes all of the requirements for this challenge. And as always, guys, you know I enjoy doing challenges if I can. And so if anyone hasn't saw Diecast Odyssey, he put out a challenge. Check it out. So that's what's so good about this group, guys. We always throw challenges out and see if we all can meet it. And this one is from Ron Muscle Car Diecast. So guys, to end the show, this is how I end it. This is one of my favorite. The Nomad. So guys, again, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you guys do this challenge. Like I always say, guys, challenges are fun. And also, the idea of just to go through and find everything is just a work of art. And for me, it's hard because everything I have is in a case somewhere. I don't have it displayed, but I go through everything and see if I can find what I need to find and meet the requirements that's asked of me. Requirements, right? So guys, thank you again for watching. Hopefully again, you do the challenge and have some fun with us. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Hit that thumbs up. Tell me that you like what I'm putting out there. And I will see you guys on the next video. Deuces. Keep hunting, guys. Later.